reiterate that any government appointee found violating this directive will face swift and severe sanctions.
Galamsey abeda no crown royale o man kon Ghana har mai say ya try and fa ya de fa epoase ya de fa wiem na de fa asaye so ya de kon honhum nyina still ya ntimi to Galamsey ase. It has become an albatross around our neck. I say it takes hard work before you can combat Galamsey. Now on this note, His Excellency John Mahama and okoye gathering be na in the name of Galamsey fighting Galamsey. Ogwa can say as a warning to government officials who are involved in Galamsey activities. And I face a very Mahama the Blue Water Guys now what kona wa form say omuna enko nwuremu various water bodies aye Galamsey omuna omu ene Galamsey fon enkokun enkodu omsum kunim no yebedo mu komo aha Penyah block media message say any dey mo oba like video na down ma oba subscribe button na subscribe click notification icon for latest updates na be kire wa dwen dey mama e wo comment message was any day ma e ya no ahye video ma onu aso enya bi ahye the issue of Galamsey ene na start ya ache obolobolo dia Ghana ba ye Yehu say you bibi was as na say friend sika kokko galam your friend good sika kokko ti Galamsey de enye ne na eba enye president A or president B ache enkonoma penso e de be nyina na Galamsey ekoso na just now na fe de abeye west even to say ye various water bodies our biggest rivers ne ye forester ye jatuo nyina no abebo da ache no Galamsey edidi akromu ese ni nyina yes abama no kono abede eni ni mu say somewhere in May 2024, His Excellency John Mahama ebe share Ghana for bosses say already akonya na ono no all the AI artificial intelligence ene be kon Galamsey. That's a Ghana for nya say na AI there. Obeye ne say like Mahama obeye ne say or the AI obeye ne say lo and behold ana already akonya busia about a week ago ene we say video bi go viral e ko hwe ya eye enkofuko bi omusheshe white ene track suit omudin do so Blue Water Guards omu purpose nyina ne se omu ana aban no abo ma no se omu nko enwura mu enko fight into Galamsey ase enkanka ene baabia ensuo da omutum Galamsey. Go back. First batch I am ready for deployment. 460 people.
Hey, I know. Jump up, yo! Let me have.
Omo ready for deployment and go for na do mbeko bush say omunko combat with Galamsey. Now this video no ana for James say hey His Excellency Mahama edidie soldiers for crowd kwa ni moment me police for kwa ni my video crowd by na police ni air patch or Galamsey foi achi police na wuro na was strictly naked aban air patch ono kwa na wodi 6 months plus just special training. Soldiers are common to me. Na yemfa nkofu we mu na enko combat there. Any day His Excellency. I do a job for the youth. This has created employment for the youth. But among for children said there be a share juma ana Mahama did to mebunu so.
You see this personals way and say they train them so they will become river guards or something like that. Bro, see me, I dey fear give them. Giddy, because bro, see, this Galamsey people, omundia bro. Fight way when a military then police people self omo enhusu no e be now they train personnel and personnel so ka who obi anima to say we ye dey to see ni so an how be jonso no Charlie, this fight against Galamsey no be joke oh. This Galamsey is no omo weapons oh, then get ammunition oh, then get tools oh. Omo in the agro. So if one are military people self omo enhusu now they can't train people. That bend that. I don't say most of you go argue say it be good step towards the stopping of Galamsey and it will help with unemployment. Yes, that be true. But bro, it's the people where they train them, no. Yeah, they fear give them. They go put them alive at risk because Charlie, Galamsey for the grown on with you. Right now they even form gangs and things, bro. And now grow up your move. Charlie, therefore start the watch them check this thing well because me I know they feel comfortable. Hey.
Clearly, a bino response to Insuomo Dieno, the launch of water guards na and Omo Pound. Say Omo na Nkonko Boyama Insuomo mine no Omanfo Enyai. With respect to the minister, I don't think that because mind you, man, Navy for yet to patrol boats, Edeman Navy for, which is a branch of the Ghana Armed Forces, Navy for and Shada Anyi. Yema soldier for koi, metre Amin Ankasa Ekoi. Say Omonsha Sasso the Insuomo the Enka and Shada Anyi. Police for Papa baby. Water guards na enemy who any dear, Oman Adabraka. And Omua minister Kopo Montomane dear. If we mean business and want to deal with this situation, challenge water guards in common. And yet, because the guys, more minister, what's that parliament? I say, these guys have sophisticated weapons. Into the solution in your water guards for your share white and blue Adidas, a blue yeah, no. That is not it. And yet, if we want to give the CDS no KPI, essentially, in Suomo the dear. It's a no. Yempe kwadi ye you ma free nsuo ni mu are fine. The response with the greatest of respect enye water guards here minister papa want to know. And no the enshada mo ayi. Emwa yen kra.
Well, obi intermediate men no maka no. Aban beba aban.
My point is that okunu nye water guards kun. So ya vo gra ya bu won agun na water guard. Wo ko ede.
Emrantie no am hu omo say.
Yeah, Chinese in Ukraine, water guard on Zapan, and quite apart from even ammunitions in the crown, financially they are very sound. And this in Kofoya form water guard, most of them are jobless, having a AB or Monya Jumaye. Or gonna Jan and even $500 grass or Besane Jaconvie.
$500 a dozen.
David. Where the has a TTN.
No, but water guard or confront to Galamsey and Anaso.
Hey, serious. I only be 7 watch my head not going to Bank of Ghana. August of Roberts. I think the solution is what Papa and the Casa and the Casa. See, the military high command in the way. You know, Pompe Pramu, we not almost clear or we are. Then we can engage these water guards. If I'm on way be a walkie talking be, say be a moon be a moon free because they are not armed to fight.
How I say, though it has created job for the youth, but it is also risky. I'm for Kodom almost can't see you paying say any juma and go for intimate fighting Galamsey. Now, and you know, now there was an incident at Kumasi KJT, a doom piece at Eja at the Honomo. It ended Mahama will do hotspot because only a chance right minister echo Honomo, echo share moon crying as I could two more for say a Ghana woman or some more you shouldn't be using, you know, cylinders in market, any other. This is also could two more for any example. If you want to call another gathering, and as a gathering, the purpose now fight against Galamsey. A honor, and I will come to me say, Obi be a lawyer government official. Nensa, ewa Galamsey, when I say Nensa, Galamsey as in there. A bear mount. Se ube you say free Galamsey ase enya sa de ne o so mu sei wo so mu sei twe maso be yesipa
that any government appointee found violating this directive will face swift and severe sanctions, including possible removal from office. I've instructed regulatory and security agencies to intensify their operations against illegal mining. In just the past 3 weeks, we've made significant progress. 7 of the 9 no-go zones that I talked about have been reclaimed. We are on course to reclaim the remaining 2 of the no-go zones. Excavators, 3 bulldozers, 3 pickups, 4 pump action rifles, and 11 motorbikes have been seized from Galamsey operators. 71 individuals who were caught engaging in illegal mining within forest reserves have been arrested. And just yesterday, my Minister for Environment, Science and Technology successfully laid LI 2462 before Parliament. Once this LI matures in 21 days, the President, that is myself and any other president following me, will no longer have the power to authorize mining in forest reserves. It's a historic step towards permanent environmental protection. Alongside the fight against illegal mining, we shall begin the difficult work of reclaiming degraded lands. A pilot project by a private group has successfully restored 16 hectares of land. The intention is to scale this up to 500 acres reclaimed lands a year. And we aim in the short term to be able to reclaim at least 10,000 hectares of land. The Tree for Life initiative aligns with our national and international commitments. It complements the Blue Water Initiative, which was launched to rehabilitate and revitalize polluted water bodies. By June 30th, 2025, Ghana will export its first batch of LEGT licensed timber to the European Union. And the FLEGT means Forest Law Enforcement, Governance and Trade. This will make Ghana the first African country and only the second in the world after Indonesia to achieve this. This milestone is a testament to our commitment to sustainable forest management. The FLEGT Action Plan allows only FLEGT licensed timber to be imported into the European Union. This is an EU initiative aimed at combating illegal logging and promoting sustainable forest management. Ghana remains committed to the Paris Agreement and the Sustainable Development Goals. As we approach the 2030 deadline, we must accelerate our efforts to meet our climate and biodiversity targets.
Mahama ni abrekro nende abrese krodom opeso fight etu Galamsey na essay o man kon Ghana asase ni nsuo opese otu ase na obo Ghana asase eho ba ejani die mo yesere mo ada ma mo hihye Galamsey ase no ani die mu munyim nsa mfrase maye munyim nsa emfrase maye trewadwe mame e wo comment section aha Penyah Blog Media.